Welcome to our Chemistry Asan channel. Now I am going to discuss the NEET 2020 question paper chemistry. Okay, so we will solve the question paper of NEET. Coming to question number from 93, right? 93. So the first question is, identify the correct statement of the following. CO2 is used as an refrigerant. Yes, refrigerant, and this is correct. The structure of C60 contains 12 6 carbon atoms. This is wrong. It contains 12 pentagonal rings and 20 hexagonal rings. So this is wrong. ZSM5 is used to convert. This is easy question. So the answer is CO is colorless and odorless gas. Okay, if you see the options, how to verify the options clearly. A, B, C only. So B is wrong. First try to eliminate the B option. So this is wrong and this is wrong, right? Now the answer will be A is correct, and so the answer belongs to A and C. This is 93 question. This is direct NCERT. Then coming to 94th question. Hydrolysis of sucrose to glucose. We have an equation delta G is equal to minus RT Kc, that is equal to R 8.314 into temperature he has given 300, and ln, what is Kc? Direct, it is the formula given 10 power 30. So minus 8.314 joule Kelvin inverse mole inverse into 300 Kelvin ln 2 into 10 power 23. So the option is first option. Now coming to 95, identify the correct statement. This is toluene on reaction with chlorine in presence of sunlight. So it is an benzylic substitution. So on benzylic substitution, so the benzyl hydrogens get substituted by the chlorine in presence of sunlight. It will give rise to CH. See, concentrate on the product. He has given the benzaldehyde. To get the benzaldehyde, we should get 2 chlorine atoms, and after hydrolysis the chlorine atoms are replaced by water molecules, and you will get CH, OH. This OH, both 2 OH and 1 carbon is unstable, and it converts into benzaldehyde. Now coming to the question, he is asking about X. What is X? So X will be obviously CHCl2, right? Now coming to 96, the question is nil 0 101 nil trium, nil hexium 106, neum 1110, right? So he asked to find the incorrect match. Okay, so this is lawrencium, this is seaborgium, this is dermastadium, and unnil anium is not mendelevium. This is first option, right? Now 97, an element has which belongs to solid state, BCC structure, edge length A is equal to 288 picometers. We know in BCC structure 4R is equal to root 3A. So he is asked about a radius, so root 3 into A, that is 288 and 4. You see, there is no need to calculate. By looking at the option, just substitute and you will get 97.1. Which of the following set of molecule will have zero dipole moment? So if you check, if you find any one as which is having dipole moment 0, it means it should not have any lone pair of electron. Ammonia is having lone pair of electrons, so discard this one over here. And 1,3 dichlorobenzene, this is having some dipole moment. Since it is not symmetrical, discard this one. Nitrogen trifluoride. Water is having lone pair of electron, discard this one. Now coming to boron trifluoride, which is sp2 hybridized, and beryllium chloride, BeClCl, sp hybridization. Carbon dioxide is also sp hybridization, and 1,4 dichlorobenzene, the vectors will cancel and dipole moment will be 0. So for this 98 it will be 4. You see the 99 question, you no need to apply that much brain over here. He is asking dilute sulfuric acid. It means it may contain excess of H plus and OH minus. At the anode, OH minus if it is present, it will be oxygen gas is eliminated. Now coming to 100th question, reaction between acetone and methyl magnesium bromide. Wherever you see the question with RMGX, the RMGX reaction is always familiar. So the question acetone CH3 C double bond O CH3 plus CH3 MgCl followed by hydrolysis. This is R minus, attack C double bond O, and you will get CH3 C O minus MgCl followed by taking H plus ion. It will convert into tertiary butanol, that is tertiary butyl alcohol. This is the very easiest question. Which of the following acid have peroxy linkage? This name itself, OO linkage, is peroxy linkage. You no need to by heart. Here it is peroxo disulfuric acid. You can do it directly. And one of the named reaction, which one of the following amine will give carbylamine test? You know primary amines. This is directly from NCERT primary amines. On reaction with chloroform in presence of KOH, it gives a foul smelling, that is isocyanide test, which is a detection technique for primary amines. Right. Now, what is the calculated spin only magnetic moment? Whenever you get a spin only magnetic moment, root n into n plus 2 Bohr magneton. Here n is equal to chromium, argon 3d5 4s1. Right. So Cr2 plus will have argon 3d4. When there is 4 unpaired electrons, it will be 4.90. Root 4 into 4 plus 2, 4 into 6 24, root 24, that is nearly root 5, that is 4.90, root 25, that is 4.90. Okay. Now coming to 104, free expansion of the gas. You always remember, whenever the free expansion of the gas, W will be 0, so the option will be 1 and 3. But he has given a hint, adiabatic expansion, where there is no change in heat, delta Q is equal to 0. Now 105, the question he asked, 105, the question is delta TF is equal to KF into M. KF he has given delta freezing point, KF he has given as 5.12 and molality 0.078. He is asking delta TF, that is 5.12 into 0.078. It will be around 0.399, so it is 0.40 Kelvin. Now 106, the number of Faradays required to produce 20 grams of calcium from molten CaCl2. So CaCl2, you should write the equation. For 1 mole of calcium to deposit, that is 2 moles of electrons are required. So 2 Faradays is required for 40 grams deposition of calcium, but is asking 20 grams, so it require only 1 Faraday. So the answer will be 1. Reaction between benzaldehyde and acetophenone. So one is having alpha hydrogen and one is not having alpha hydrogen. So the reaction is aldol, cross aldol condensation. Paper chromatography is a direct question, that is an example of thin layer chromatography. Right. Now coming to 109 question. sorry, yeah, 109. An increase in the concentration of the reactants. I was a little bit confused, let it be there. Now 110, a mixture of nitrogen N2, number of moles of N2 is equal to 7 by 7 grams by 28 molar mass. N is 14, he has given over there. Number of moles of argon 8 by 40. So it is 1 by 4, 0.25. This is 1 by 5, that is 0.20. He is asking the total he has given the total pressure. I am writing over here, P total is equal to 27 bar, and he is asking about the partial pressure of nitrogen. So partial pressure of nitrogen is equal to mole fraction of nitrogen, number of moles of nitrogen by total number of moles, that is number of moles of nitrogen plus number of moles of argon into what is the 27 bar, right? So number of moles of nitrogen 0.25 by 0.45 into 27. Upon calculation it will be coming around 15 bars. So identify the correct statement. So if you are confused with this 1 and 2, just read the 1, 2, 3, 4. See, vapor phase refining is carried out by nickel. Nickel is by Mond's process. So the correct statement from the following: vapor phase is carried out by this is by nickel, so this is wrong. Identify the correct statement, is carried out by nickel by vapor phase remain, this is wrong. So let us keep this aside. Tertiary butyl alcohol carbocation. Tertiary butyl carbocation is this one, is more stable than secondary because of hyperconjugation. Which of the following is a cationic? Cetyl trimethyl ammonium chloride. So elimination of reaction of 2-bromopentane to pent-2-ene is an example. See, it is an elimination of beta. First one is, it is an dehydrohalogenation. Say, more number of alpha hydrogens are produced, follows Zetsef rule, and it is a beta elimination, so it is not considered as a dehydration. Eliminate the D option, you will get ABC. The mixture of which shows positive deviation, that is ethanol positive deviation, ethanol and acetone positive deviation. Ethanol will have hydrogen bonding, acetone will come in between the hydrogen bonding, breaks this ethanol, and the expected volume will be increased, which leads to a positive deviation from the Raoult's law. Okay, now the correct increasing field strength of ligands. So it is a direct crystal field spectrochemical series. I have given a code. I got bored, went to see cinema, Kaleja. My friends got released. My friends went to see a movie released by Fox, and what they have done, Amma ila enakala kurchoni. So CN, this is the order which was told as a trick. Which of the following is a basic amino acid? I told you to remember ALH, aluminium hydride, that is arginine, lysine and histidine. So the answer is fourth. So this one I am a little bit doubt, but I think the answer will be NaCl. Which of the following is a natural polymer? Natural polymer is isoprene. So this is cis 1,4 polyisoprene. Which of the following is not correct? So please try to see the questions which is not correct and correct. About carbon monoxide, yes, obviously it forms carboxyhemoglobin, it reduces exactly. Carboxyhemoglobin is more stable, 300 times more stable than oxyhemoglobin. So this is the wrong. Why? Because he has explained it is less stable. Wrong, right? Sucrose, this is a combination of alpha D glucopyranose and beta D fructofuranose. So sucrose on hydrolysis, alpha D glucose on hydrolysis, glucose and fructose should be the answer. 3. 122. ATP sodium potassium pump. These bio students are very well familiar with this one. Which of the following has maximum number of atoms whose molecular mass 1 by molecular mass is less, that one will be having greater number of atoms? Protons, neutrons and electrons. Protons and electrons should be same. Protons and electrons should be same, since it is a neutral. You no need to do any calculation. 71 and 71, so this is the answer. So if you want to cross check, 175 minus 71, 104, right? Now this is the change in the oxidation number of carbon, that is -4. This is changed to this is +4, -4 to +4. Okay, right. Incorrect statement. If you go through this one, the chromium oxidation state is Cr. He is asking incorrect statement. This is x -8 is equal to -2, x is equal to +6, 2x minus 14 is equal to -2, x is equal to 6. Both are getting +6, but he has told not the same. So this is the incorrect statement. For this reaction enthalpy, energy is released, and entropy, this is 2 chlorine gas atoms, this is 1 chlorine gas atom, so entropy will be decreased. Whenever the entropy is decreased and energy is released, this one. So zeta potential is used to measure the stability of the colloidal solution. This is the question from surface chemistry. Now the beautiful question, urea reacts with water. This is the preparation of ammonia. NH2C double bond O NH2 plus water, it gives ammonia. When passed through copper 2+, it form a complex, that is Cu2 plus complex. DsP2 hybridization, which sp2d hybridization. This is one of the important complex we have discussed earlier, and this is the direct question. If you know this temporary hardness is due to BSC, that is bicarbonates of magnesium and calcium. So B is 1 in these options. If you check B, the option is only 1, so please try to cross check. 1 is 3, synthetic gas, exactly correct. B is 1 correct. B2H6 electron deficient, correct. H2O2 is a non-planar and it is a open book structure, right? Now coming to CO, this is neutral. The code for neutral oxides I already given. కోపానికి వచ్చిన నాన్నకు వాటర్ తాగమంటే నో అన్నాడు. కోపానికి వచ్చిన N2O నాన్నను వాటర్ నో. These are the neutral oxides. These are the neutral oxides. Cl2O7 acidic. So 131. If you see in this one, CO is neutral. If you check B option, you can get that one, or you can check A option. So first, before attempting these questions, check which one is having very different. Okay, so CO neutral, so the option will be second option. Please go through that one. So this is one of the question for kinetics. Rate constant K is equal to 4.6 into 10 power minus 3 second inverse. Time required is asking. So for the first order reaction, T is equal to 2.303 by 4.6 into 10 power minus 3 log 2 by 2 into 10 power minus 1, that is 0.2. It will be log 10. It will come log 10, that is 1. 2.303, it will be around 500 seconds, right? Now 133, an alkene on ozonolysis. This is nothing. This is no need to go for hard and fast rule. Methanol, when you will get a methanol will be obtained when there is an terminal alkene. Just by looking at the options you can get this one, right? Which of the following alkane cannot be prepared in good yield with Wood's reaction? See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. If you start from here, keep your fingers like this. This is 1 2 3. You can prepare N-hexane, but you cannot prepare N-heptane. So the answer we should be between N-hexane and N-heptane. Okay. 135. Anisole, the beautiful Williamson's ether synthesis, breaking, cleavage of ether, anisole on reaction with Hi. This bond is attached with oxygen, so it will become phenol plus Hi. 135. For Bohr's atom is valid for only single electronic system. There is a single ionized neon atom, so the answer will be 4. So here ends your chemistry. Thank you. Thank you for joining. Thank you. Be stay with our Chemistry Asan channel, which makes it very easy for solving the chemistry NEET paper. Thank you. Thank you. By Guru Prasad.